Hello, beautiful family. I hope you are doing well. Yes, today we are on this website, Simply Hired. Yes, so let's see the job which are posted today. Yes, if you go to simplyhired.com and filter remote, and you're gonna search 24 hours ago, click here. So you can see they have, okay, let me see, 24 hours ago. Yes, they have this data entry specialist. Yes, this job is was posted today, just in 3 hours ago from now. Okay, so you can see they have at least a good pay between 42K a year. Yes, and let's see the details of this job. This job is data entry specialist, individual contractor. Yes, it's gonna be full time job. Okay, so it has like a location. This is the location where there is this job, but it's gonna be remote. Yes, we have this data entry specialist, and we are for front line of building standardized product transfer classification, structure, and product catalog for the categorized cannabis industry. Yes, if you're interested to work in this industry, you can go ahead and apply. Essential function and responsibility. Let's see the responsibility now. You have to be like aware that will be ability. You have to have this ability to process large data sets. Yes, you do audit data through standard verification, create and curate documentation, standardization, categorization, excellent communication skills, ability to navigate quickly through custom software, okay, perform under duty as assigned. Reasonable accommodation may be made to enable individual with disability to perform the essential functions. Yes, what you're gonna do is to click here, quick and apply. You can apply to this website, but also guys, you can go ahead and see the job title, and if you see the job, this company, and go to your Google browse and type this name, BDSA Louisiana, Louisville. So go to your Google and write this company. You can see we have this company. We can visit the website. This is the website, and let's see the of let's see careers. Have to accept this one and find where is the careers to apply on the website. Mhm. Let's see partners. No, careers. Yes, if you go here company and click here on careers and see, you can see they have this job, data management, data entry specialist, and click here. So you can see they have all these the same qualification. You can see view all jobs again and click here. All right, so let's see this job. They have similar qualification, and I advise you to always do this. If you go to Simply Hired and come to apply to this website direct on the website, let's say if you apply here and the job was posted in 3 hours ago, so those who are applying through this, I believe to apply to apply through websites is a good idea, because you're gonna start applying. You can see full name and everything, and your CV and cover letter will go direct to the company. So guys, you can see this is the job, the responsibility. Here I believe they don't have like a certain qualification, and they accept everyone. Okay, let's see. An active duty. Okay, veteran. Why are you being asked to complete this form? They have so many things to complete, and you have to submit. Yeah, that is one job, data entry. You're gonna do remote. But again, as you have seen, this website has other job, sales and marketing. Yes, it's remote as well. you can see they pay through this range. You can see it has a good pay and a plus commission. So the accountant executive and remote, yes. Okay, you can go through the job qualification and everything. My purpose today was that data entry specialist. That is the one that I wanted to recommend to you. Today, you can see they request you to have bachelor degree or equivalent experience. Experience about 3 to 5 years of experience. Yeah, this is it, guys, about this job. But let's go back to our jobs website, mhm, and see other job which were posted today. Just you can see unborn sales representative. Yes, this is their payment. If you click here, it's full time and it was posted 1 hour ago. So you can see it's brand new job that you can click and apply direct after watching this video. Yes, work at home requirements. These are the requirements. They request you to download speed of 30 minutes per mbp minimum. Make sure to be the best speed at the spreadsheet.net. Cell phone will cell phone. We will provide the laptop. They will provide a laptop as well, which is really good. Yeah, essential duty and responsibility. You can read through this essential duty and responsibility. Let me link the link in the description box of this video for you to go ahead and apply. They really have a good pay, not bad, up to 18 hours, $18 per hour. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you click here and see the name of the company again, you copy this and go to paste on your Google browser and click here to see if it is that company. You can see if you can find, let me see if it is the similar one. No, it is not similar one. You have to see the logo. Okay, let's go back to see one which has logo, similar logo to that. If you don't see it on your Google browser, that's okay. You can go ahead and apply there on that website. Again, I will link the link in the description box. It doesn't come direct, but what you're gonna do is to just type this, the name, and write it in your Google browser and see if you have a similar logo. This is in blue and white, which is not the correct one. What we are looking for, it's in green and white. So I don't see it direct, but guys, you never know. You can go ahead and apply. You never know, applying job is really hard, and that's why you have to try and apply to the new jobs. This is provider network data analyst one. Yes, you can read through. Customer service representative, it's remote. 9 hours ago they have this one as well, and this one you have to be in this specific location. So this is not worldwide opportunity. You have to be in this state. So this is a very limited opportunity. Yeah. So going to other jobs that we see, let's visit. We work remotely. On We Work Remotely, if you filter and see the job which were posted today, you can see Senior Ruby and Raid Developer. If you click here, you will see work in anywhere in the world, and you can see they have 800 applicants. Yes, but this one you have to have 3 years of experience. So, guys, I don't want to take you time because of I know you have to get time to apply to the job. Yes, data engineer, this is for Europe. So, another website that you don't have to forget is to go to LinkedIn and filter the job. Let's say you want data entry, you have to filter remote here and click and see if you have the job that you are looking for. For example, this is a part-time and only 3 applicants were applied. So This job is for only for those who are in the US, anywhere in the US, part-time work. Yes, you can see it's part-time work. If you want to supplement your income, at least if you have 18 years old and something like that, you can see, let's see, the description of this job, because I'm pretty much interested to this. We have 200 lobbies and sport category for which you can submit your image for, and is not limit to the amount of category you can be select. Each person, okay, let me start by here. Data Force by Transfer is current looking for contributor located in the United States to participate in our project. This is the name of the project. What is the project about? The purpose of this project is to correct image of indoor and outdoor hobby of the sport activity from your personal iPhone or iPad image gallery. So for this project, we are looking for participants to be able to share photos taken with an ISO dra- device, iPhone and iPad, by uploading them into a mobile app or browse platform for data collection. You can see it's pretty much simple. So, and only three applicants were applied within 2 days. So, yeah, you can go ahead and see that job. Yes, there is no much required. This is junior data entry full time. You can see it's within 14 hours ago, people were applied. Let's see, 200 people were applied to this job, data entry. Okay, you have to put your alert so that you always check. LinkedIn is the most important website as well. People usually forget LinkedIn, but there are jobs out there. So let's see if you write here, maybe Nigeria. Mhm. You can see this is from Nigeria, customer service coordinator at Elephant Healthcare. You can see and click this job. Yes, it was posted 4 days ago. Let's see if you are right. Rwanda, it is my country. And no, this is not. It's not even on map. Why? Kiso Kigali. Okay. Be interested in no match. Okay. If I don't put that entry, let's see. There is no job in Kigali. Okay, if I put Kenya, let's say. Hey, on Kenya, 3 hours ago, they have this content writer. Wow, this is pretty much interesting. If you click here, only 13 applicants were applied. This is a writer. You can be a writer, but it's remote. So if it is remote and it is in Kenya, it means you can try your best. Best of luck if you are in Rwanda, Kigali, or anywhere nearby Kenya. You can try your best, and see. Here there is the requirement. The rate of pay is $20 per word. Wow, this is good. And it's approximately $50 per hour. Wow, this is really cool. There is this one also, blogger. It's remote as well. Yes, this company, okay, before I go to this one, this company is called Shoutbox. It's worldwide company. It's always looking for content writer. So anywhere in the world, wherever you are, guys, if you can go to this website normally and apply, their logo is like this. Their logo is like this. So if you enjoy writing, you can actually have this job as a part-time and start applying. You can see, as a freelancer writer, you will be responsible for developing content in the form of a blog post, article, landing page content, additional marketing content, and so many more. Freelancer writer will be integral part of overall content marketing efforts, support our local and small businesses client. To be successful for this role, you will need to be capable of performing basic search and, when needed, um, and we have the ability to craft engaging content that industry specialists and try to reach a specific audience. Yes. So guys, normally this is what I do. As you can see, this is job was posted, and you can work anywhere in the world. If this job, you can work in Nairobi, Kenya. So it's a perfect for you, who you are, for those who are looking for this opportunity. Yeah, there is this one was posted, data specialist. Okay, let's see how many. Only 8 applicants will apply to this position. So guys, go ahead and see. I like AI engineer. Okay, zero applicants within 3 days. Okay, why? So yeah, you can see there are so many jobs. But now guys, now we got our jobs. You have this content writer, we have this blogger, we have this one writer as well, which you can try. Means they are working, those are not Kenyan companies, so they are looking for employers around the world. That's why they posted even this job in Kenya. So yes, guys, I hope now you got these different jobs, different variety. It's on your hand now. You can go ahead and apply. This is the job that I had for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to share my video, like and subscribe. Yes, guys, I hope to see you tomorrow. Remember, I share the jobs every single day on this platform.